Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another unboxing, and this model is off eBay. It was a bargain, the price I got it for. But yeah, let's open it. As you can see, it's just in a bubble envelope. And as I'm saying, it was a bargain. I actually won it on auction, this model. It's 1,500. There we go. Also wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is a retro plane, and I thought it would be good to just have it as like an old plane in my collection. It's a Junkers Ju-52 Lufthansa. Right? This small because it's 1,500, but it is Lufthansa and it's an old plane. It was in fact first manufactured in 1930, the Junkers. It's German, okay. This company, and it doesn't make planes anymore. Mit registration. So as you can see, it's an old box as well in German. Wingspan only 29.25 meters, height 6 meters. Can you imagine how small that is? Plane is only tall for 6 meters. Oh, there we go. Whoa, that's how it's packed. Okay. That's unique, that. Just an open. And there we go. That's the Junkers. You can see how small that is. Right, let's zoom it in. Okay, so this isn't even the proper livery. This is only with Lufthansa title. So at the front here, you've got your 3 propellers, which do spin. So my second propeller plane, because my first one is the Illusion. You've got your cockpit there. I think it's for one crew only for one pilot. Lufthansa titles, registration, Delta Dash Alpha Quebec Uniform India. And also I wanted to say that these were full metal planes. So they weren't made from like carbon fiber like now. They were full metal, so they were very heavy. That's why they could only fly so far. This one with only having 1,000 kilometer range, and I don't even know how many people it fits. Not that many. The windows, Lufthansa logo there on the tail. Same on the other side. And you can see it's an old plane because it has 2 wheels at the front, rather than the modern plane having 1 wheel. Right, and then it's the bottom. Just 1 second. That's the bottom here. You have your Herpa logo. Registration is different. Ooh, look at that. Here's Delta Charlie Delta Lima Hotel, and here's Delta Alpha. Interesting. I don't know why that is. If you know, just comment below why it has 2 different registrations. Maybe that's like for the part registration, I don't know. But yeah, you can see these are even like the rivets for the where the metal would join to the fuselage, and the flaps here. Yeah, it's a nice little old plane. That will be for my retro collection. Because of course it doesn't fly anymore, this. This was back when they were competing with like the Havilland 2, I think. Was it the Havilland 2? I think it was. And like a McDonnell Douglas DC-2, DC-3, so they were all proper planes back then. Yeah, thank you for watching this short unboxing. I hope you like this old model, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.